This is a Dyson Cinetic big ball brush unit, and what happened was it started making some noise, started smelling like burning rubber, and then one side of the brush stopped turning. And when I took it apart, I found inside this this little pulley right here had just, this part is part of it, and it had just come off. The bearing inside was frozen up, kind of destroyed. I don't know, from overuse or hair or what, but I ordered the new pulley, gear, drive unit for the brushes, and I put that in. It came with a new belt. That's there. I thought I would just make a video putting it back together, and then if folks have to take theirs apart, you can reverse the order. This is a little wheel. You want to make sure it doesn't fall off. So this piece goes on here. And the bearing inside has to go right in there, so it's a little tricky to line up and get on. There it is. There's two different sizes of screws used in this. Like so. And then there's a real different one with a smaller Torx head that goes right in here. And I have that lined up here. It looks like it's a T9. T9. So I'll go ahead and try to get that in. I always back out the things till I hear them pop, and you know the threads are ready to go in. There's a longer screw here, a longer screw here. And these, I'll look at this Torx head in a minute, Torx head. These are T15. The rubber gasket here, kind of, I'm thinking I don't want to really smush this down really hard. I'll squeeze the gasket too much, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I hope that's okay. This one I will close down all the way and make sure. Okay, that goes in here. And then the short one goes in this hole right here. Okay, so that's back together. Now the cover. Whoops. This should be able to go back over top now. Get these wires, make sure they're So they kind of make sure they're free to move. Not going to get clamped up over here. Okay, so I should be able to wiggle this back on. Okay, flip her over. And here, I kept these screws in here so I know where they go. A little cover that goes right here. Screws out right now. And then this bottom part is a little air deflector. You can see I put S for short on these holes, so I would remember where the short screws are. Let's see, back out until I hear pop, then screw in. Let's get the head in the thing. Tighten all those down. Looks good. Now the brushes go on. The short one over here. This fits in here. Oh, whoops, no. Mistake. These have to go on the ends of those first. And these look like these are the T9 also. Well, perhaps a little bigger. Not this one. I'm gonna look for a T10. That seems to be what it wants. Put my 9 back. It goes on one way. On this side. Looks like they're unique. I didn't keep track of right and left. Hopefully they're the same right and left. the brushes can go on. And there's like a longer side. These right here, I believe, and inside this kind of has a longer thing. Line those up. These little guys on the end. Take that back out. These little guys on the end here. Obviously, go like this, not like that. There. Same deal on the other side. Long piece. Looks like it's, where is it now? Yeah, turn it up. Longer. There it is. No? There. And these little guys are just, I don't know, tiny little Phillips heads, I think. Here. It's like a little plus. Which I believe I just used a Phillips, so I took them out. Yep. Okay, that's all there is to it. Now this ring here is that you first get it off from the vacuum, stick it on there, pop this ring back on. It'll only go one way, this way doesn't work. Make sure these plugs are in. And this guy should be good to go. Everything's turning now. Sorry for the wiggles. And of course I forgot one thing. Lastly, you gotta put this thing back on. It has clips in the front here that go into these 3 slots. So it's pretty easy. Just go like that. Put it back. Fold these guys, little cams in. And now I've got it all back together. And I can put it on a good shot. The head is reattached, so let's give it a try. I have the button down, disconnected the head. Seems to be working now.